speeding down the sea, flying towards targets. Battleships attacking each other. Smoke flies through the atmosphere. Death flies through our souls. Darkness slips out of the battleships. Depressed is your blood. Friends are dead. Battleships are changing. Bombs dropping from fighter jets. People are screaming. Cities are dying. People are suffering. Time is ticking too fast. Bombs are going off faster than others. Missiles explosions. Spying on the enemies. We shouldn't be shooting each other. We should not be greedy. Be grateful for what you have already. People who live in poverty need food, fresh water, a place to live, education and clothes. We need to solve this problem quickly before more people die. Around 22,000 children die daily living in poverty, and this should not happen. How did this happen? Because it's all of our faults. We let it happen. We were too busy with our own daily routines that we had forgotten about the rest of humanity. These people need our help. It's simply not good enough. We shouldn't be shooting each other. We should not be greedy. Be grateful for what you have already. People who live in poverty need food, fresh water, a place to live, education and clothes. We need to solve this problem quickly before more people die. Around 22,000 children die daily living in poverty, and this should not happen. How did this happen? Because it's all of our faults. We let it happen. We were too busy with our own daily routines that we had forgotten about the rest of humanity. These people need our help. It's simply not good enough. Moving on target. Fighter jets crashing into each other. Overheating. Ran out of weapons. Ran out petrol. Jumping from fighter jet to another. Skydiving into the sea. Battleships going off. People are flying. The fighter jets are running out of time. Time is money. Flying a fighter jet like a boss. Dodging bullets and missiles. We see too much shooting and death. We all need happiness, health and safety. We are all in this together. If one falls, then we all fall down with them, because we can't fix our problems by yourselves. We all are equal to one another. We all need each other to live. We all need to work together. We don't need to be enemies anymore, and it is a waste of money. We can use the money on other things in the world to make it a better place and way more greener for all of us, human beings. Money does not bring you happiness. It just makes you worse. We need to work together to end poverty, especially child poverty, and save humankind along with our home planet.